In heraldry, an Orle is a subordinary consisting of a narrow band occupying the inward half of where a bordure would be, following the exact outline of the shield but within it, showing the field between the outer edge of the Orle and the edge of the shield. An Orle can sometimes be confused with an inescutcheon or escutcheon voided, or with a patch of the field left over between a bordure and an inescutcheon. Orles may vary by any of the lines of variation. Discrete charges arranged in the position of an Orle are described as in Orle or as an Orle of ... Treasure. A treasure is a subordinary that can be regarded as a diminutive of an Orle. John Woodward is of the opinion that a plain treasure is a diminutive of the Orle, and is depicted half its thickness. A treasure is described as representing the circular raised line on a coin that shows the user if the coin has been clipped or overly worn. A double treasure is normally an Orle i.e. an Orle divided into two narrow ones set closely together, one inside the other, with artists interpreting it as composed of two narrow Orles each being 1/3 or 1/4 the width and the void between them being 1/3, or 1/2 the width. A.C. Fox Davis argued that a treasure is by necessity doubled, otherwise it would be an Orle. However, examples exist of coats of arms with a single treasure, as in the arms of Edward Lawrence. Plain treasures are rare. It is much more common to see treasures flory counterflory, especially in Scottish heraldry, where many coats of arms derive from the royal coat of arms, in which the treasure represents the old alliance with France. As a result, the double treasure flory counterflory is often referred to as the royal treasure. When a treasure is impaled, it is supposed to follow the same rule as the bordure and not to be continued on the side of the impalement, but several exceptions may be found.